How to delete a Discord account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. So if you want to permanently delete your Discord account, then here's this step-by-step guide of how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to delete your Discord account, simply going to open up the Discord application from your phone, and from the Discord homepage, go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now from the Discord profile, tap on the settings option at the top right. Now from the settings, simply go and tap on the second option, account. Inside the account, you just need to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and here you'll get to see the delete account. You just need to go and tap on delete. This will record your account password, so just enter the password of your account. And once you have entered your password, go and tap on OK, and this will take a little time and your account will be deleted. Now you can easily log into another account, and also you can create a new account if you want to. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.